Good morning, students. Exercise 5.1, question 4, part 1. 2x minus 3y is less than or equal to 6. This is number 1. 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 12. This is inequality number 2. The associated equations are, or you can say the corresponding equations are 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Equation number 3, 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Equation number 4. Let us find intercepts of equation 3. For x-intercept, putting y is equal to 0 in 3. 2x minus 3 into 0 is equal to 6. 3 zeros are 0. 2x minus 0 is equal to 2x is equal to 6. Dividing both sides by 2, x is equal to 6 over 2. 2 3s are 6, x is equal to 3. So x-intercept A has coordinates x coordinate 3 and y coordinate 0. For y-intercept, putting x is equal to 0 in 3. 2x 2 into 0 minus 3y is equal to 6. 2 zeros are 0. 0 minus 3y is minus 3y is equal to 6. Dividing both sides by minus 3, y is equal to 6 over minus 3, y is equal to minus 2. So y-intercept B is x coordinate 0, y coordinate minus 2. Let us now find intercepts of equation number 4. For x-intercept, putting y is equal to 0 in 4. So 2x plus 3 into 0 is equal to 12. 3 zeros are 0. 2x plus 0 is 2x is equal to 12. Dividing both sides by 2. 12 over 2. 2 6 are 12. X is equal to 6. So x-intercept is C, 6 and 0. For y-intercept, putting x is equal to 0 in equation 4. 2x 2 into 0 plus 3y is equal to 12. 2 zeros are 0. 0 plus 3y is 3y is equal to 12. Dividing both sides by 3, y is equal to 12 over 3. 3 fours are 12, so y is equal to 4. So y-intercept D has coordinates x coordinate 0 and y coordinate 4. After finding the intercepts of both the equations 3 and 4, take 0, 0 as a test point, putting it in 1. Putting 0, 0 in 1. 2x, 2 into 0, minus 3y, 3 into 0 is less than 6. Here it is less than or equal to, but you see 0 is less than 6. 0 is not equal to 6. That is why I have written only here is less than 6. 0 minus 0, 0 is less than 6. This is true. No doubt 0 is less than 6. It means the closed half plane 0, 0 is the solution. It means the closed half plane containing 0, 0 is the solution region. Now, for inequality number 2, take 0, 0 as the test point, putting it in inequality 2. 2x, 2x plus 3y, 3y is less than 12. Here it is less than or equal to, but you see 0 is always less than 12. It is not equal to 12. That is why you have written only 0 is less than 12. This is also true. It means the closed half plane containing 0, 0 is the solution region. solution region of inequality 1, solution region of inequality 2. The common solution for both the inequalities is shaded region. Let us draw xy plane, x-axis positive x, x dash negative x, y, y dash. Mark equidistant marks on the axes, x-axis and y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. These are all equidistant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equidistant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. First of all, we find out point A, 3, 0. 1, 2, 3. A is this point, 3, 0. B point, 0 and -2. 0 and -1, -1, -2. This is point B. So pass a line, draw a line between these 2 points. This line is for the equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Now for this line, x-intercept is 6 and 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 0 is C point, and y-intercept point D, 0 and 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is D, 0 and 4. So draw a line between these 2 points which passes through these 2 points. This line is for the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. So the common shaded region is this, which is towards the origin, that is 0, 0. Question 4, part 2. First inequality is x plus y is greater than or equal to 5. Second inequality is minus y plus x is less than or equal to 1. The associated equations are x plus y is equal to 5, minus y plus x is equal to 1. This is equation 3, this is equation 4. Let us find the intercepts of equation 3. For x-intercept, putting y is equal to 0 in 3. X plus y 0 is equal to 5. X plus 0 is x is equal to 5. So x-intercept A is 5 and 0. For y-intercept, putting x is equal to 0 in equation 3. x0 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. So y-intercept B is x coordinate and y coordinate 0 and 5. For x-intercept, now we are going to find out intercepts of equation 2. For x-intercept, putting y is equal to 0 in 4. This is second equation, which has been named as 4. Minus y, you are putting y equal to 0 plus x is equal to 1. This is x is equal to 1. So x-intercept 1 and 0. For y-intercept of equation 4, putting x is equal to 0 in 4. Minus y plus 0 is equal to 1. Minus y is equal to 1, multiplying both sides by minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1. So y-intercept of the equation 4 is 0 and minus 1. For inequality 1, take 0, 0 as a test point, putting it in 1. x0 plus y0 is greater than or equal to 5. 0, 0 greater than or equal to 5. 0 is greater than or equal to 5, which is obviously false because 0 is smaller than 5. It means the closed half plane not containing 0, 0 is the solution region. Not containing means that it will not be towards the origin, but it will be away. Not containing means this. Now, for inequality 2, take 0, 0 as a test point, putting it in 2, putting y is equal to 0 as well as x is equal to 0 is less than 1. I haven't put here less than or equal to because 0 is never equal to 1. So use only sign of less than. 0 is less than 1. This is true. It means the closed half plane containing 0, 0 is the solution region. Because it is true, so it will be towards the origin. The common solution for both the inequalities is shaded region. First of all, draw xy plane. Take equal points, equidistant points on x-axis and equidistant points on y-axis. So you see x-intercept is 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 0 and y-intercept is 0, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 0, 5. So the first line has been drawn this. This line is for the equation x plus y is equal to 5. Now for the second equation, x-intercept is 1, 0, 1, 0 and y-intercept is 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 1. So we have drawn the second line which passes through C and D points, which are x and y intercepts respectively. Now the shaded region is this. Why? Because this one is away, but this one is towards the origin. So this will be the shaded region. Question 4, part 3. First inequality is 3x plus 7y is greater than or equal to 21. The second given inequality is x minus y is less than or equal to 2. The associated equations of the given inequalities are 3x plus 7y is equal to 21. Let it be equation 3. X minus y is equal to 2. Let it be equation 4. For intercepts of equation 3, for x-intercept putting y is equal to 0 in 3, 3x plus 7 into 0 is equal to 21. 7 zeros are 0. 3x plus 0 is 3x is equal to 21. Dividing both sides by 3. X is equal to 21 over 3. 3 sevens are 21. So x-intercept is 7 and 1. For y-intercept, putting x is equal to 0 in 3, 3 into 0 plus 7y is equal to 21. 3 zeros are 0. 0 plus 7y is 7. Y is equal to 21. Dividing both sides by 7, y is equal to 21 over 7. 7 3s are 21. Y is equal to 3. So y-intercept is 0 and 3. For equation 4, to find the x-intercept, putting y is equal to 0 in 4, x minus 0 is equal to 2, x is equal to 2. So x-intercept is 2 and 0. For y-intercept, putting x is equal to 0 in equation 4, 0 minus y is equal to 2, minus y is equal to 2, multiplying both sides by minus 1, y is equal to minus 2. So y-intercept is 0 and minus 2. For inequality number 1, take 0, 0 as a test point, putting it in 1. 3, x is 0, putting x 0 plus 7 y, putting y equal to 0 is greater than or equal to 21. 0 plus 0 is 0 is greater than or equal to 21, which is obviously false. It means the closed half plane not containing 0, 0 is the solution region. Not containing 0, 0 means it will not be towards the origin, but it will be away from the origin. Now for inequality 2, take 0, 0 as a test point, putting it in 2, that is putting 0, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in inequality 2. 0 minus 0 is less than 2. 0 is less than 2. I haven't put here is equal to. I have only used is less than because 0 is less than 2 and not equal to 2. This is true. It means the closed half plane containing 0, 0 is the solution region. That means that the solution region is towards the origin, which has coordinate 0, 0. The common solution for both the inequalities is shaded region. First of all, draw xy plane. Take equidistant points on x-axis and also on y-axis. Here 7, 0, x-intercept is 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0. This is y-intercept is 0, 3. 1, 2, 3, B point, which is y-intercept 0, 3. So the line of the equation 3x plus 7y is equal to 21 is this one. Now x-intercept is 2, 0, 1, 2, 2, 0 and y-intercept is 0 and minus 2, 0 and minus 2. So pass a line which passes through point C and D. So this line is of equation x minus y is equal to 2. The shaded region will be, this equation is to be shaded towards the origin, whereas this one is to be shaded away from the origin. Towards the origin, away from the origin. So this is the shaded region. Question 4, part 4. Given inequalities are 4x minus 3y is less than or equal to 12. Number 1. Second inequality is x is greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. The associated equations of the given inequalities are 4x minus 3y is equal to 12. Sign of inequality will change into equality sign. Similarly, x is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is equation 3, this is equation 4. Let us find the intercepts. For x-intercept, putting y is equal to 0 in 3. 4x minus 3 into 0 is equal to 12. 3 zeros are 0, so 4x minus 0 is 4x is equal to 12. Dividing both sides by 4. 4x over 4, 4 cancelled with 4. X is equal to 12 over 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So x is equal to 3. X-intercept is 3 and 0. First we write x coordinate, then y coordinate. For y-intercept, putting x is equal to 0 in 3. 4 into 0 minus 3y is equal to 12. 4 zeros are 0. 0 minus 3y is minus 3y is equal to 12. Dividing both sides by minus 3. Minus 3y over minus 3 cancelled with minus 3. Y is equal to 12 over minus 3. 3 4s are 12. Y is equal to minus 4. So y-intercept is 0 and minus 4. Take 0, 0 as a test point, putting it in first inequality. Putting x is equal to 0, 4 into 0, putting y is equal to 0, minus 3 into 0 is less than 12. Here it is less than or equal to, here it is only less than, because you see 0 minus 0, 0 is less than 12. It is not equal to 12, so here only is less than 12. And this is true. If it is true, it means the closed half plane containing 0, 0, this is origin, is the solution region. That means the shaded uh, area will be towards the origin whose coordinates are 0, 0. Now take 0, 0 as a test point, putting it in second inequality. 0 is greater than minus 3 by 2. Here it is not written 0 is greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2, because 0 is not equal to minus 3 by 2. Instead, it is greater than minus 3 by 2. So this is true. It means the closed half plane containing 0, 0 is the solution region. Again, it means that it will be shaded towards the origin, because it is true. The common solution for both the inequalities is shaded region. Let us see. First of all, we draw xy plane, x-axis, y-axis, origin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equidistant points. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and so on. Equidistant points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, so on. Take equidistant points. Now, point A has coordinates 3 and 0. Along x-axis 1, 2, 3. No distance moved along y-axis, so 3, 0 is, this is point A, circled. Then point B is 0 and minus 4. No distance moved along x-axis, 0 and minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, circled. Now we pass a line which passes through these 2 points. So 4x minus 3y is equal to 12 is this line. Now for second line, you see x is equal to minus 3 by 2. That means divide 3 by 2, 2 ones are 2, remainder is 1. It will become minus 1 whole 1 by 2. So x is equal to minus 1 whole 1 by 2. 0, negative direction of x-axis, 1 whole 1 by 2, midpoint between these two markings. So draw a straight line, put arrows on either ends. X is equal to minus 3 by 2 is this line. Because this is true, so we will shade towards the origin. So this shaded portion is the solution. Question 4, part 5. 3x plus 7y is greater than or equal to 21. First inequality, y is less than or equal to 4. Second inequality. The associated equations are, or you can say the corresponding equations are, 3x plus 7y is equal to 21. This sign will be changed into equality sign. Similarly, y is equal to 4. This is equation 3, this is equation 4. Now let us find the intercepts. For x-intercept, putting y is equal to 0 in 3. 3x plus 7 into 0 is equal to 21. 7 zeros are 0. 3x plus 0 is 3x is equal to 21. Dividing both sides by 3, 3x over 3, 3 cancelled with 3, x is equal to 21 over 3. 3 sevens are 21, x is equal to 7. So x intercept A has coordinates 7 and 0. For y intercept, putting x is equal to 0 in equation 3. 3x means 3 into 0 plus 7y is equal to 21. 3 zeros are 0, 0 plus 7y is 7y is equal to 21. Dividing both sides by 7. 7y over 7y, 7 cancelled with 7y, 21 over 7, 7 3s are 21. So y is equal to 3. So y intercept B has coordinates, x coordinate 0 and y coordinate 3. Take 0, 0 as a test point, putting it in 1, x 0, value of y is 0. 3 into 0 plus 7 into 0 is greater than or equal to 21. 3 zeros are 0 plus 7 zeros are 0, 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 21. This is not possible. 0 is neither greater than 21 nor it is equal to 21, so it is false. It means the closed half plane not containing 0, 0 is the solution region. Not containing 0, 0 means that the shaded region will not be towards the origin whose coordinates are 0, 0. Instead, it will be away from the origin. Take 0, 0 as test point, putting it in 2. Y 0 is less than 4. Here it is less than or equal to, here it is only less than. Because 0 is not equal to 4, it is only less than 4. But this is true. If it is true, it means the closed half plane containing 0, 0 is the solution region. It means that the solution region is towards the origin whose coordinates are 0, 0. The common solution for both the inequalities is shaded region. Let us first draw xy plane along horizontal x-axis, along vertical y-axis, x dash, positive values, negative values, y dash, positive, negative. This is origin. First of all, let us see where is point A. Coordinate 7, 0, x7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this is 7, 0, no distance moved along y-axis. So A is this point, 7, 0. Now B, 0, 3, 0, 3, 1, 2, 3, this is 0, 3. So let us draw a line passing through A and B. This is the line. This is 3x plus 7y is equal to 21. Now the other one is y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. This is y is equal to 4. So we pass a line from here. The equation of this line is y is equal to 4. Now this is false. It is away from origin. This away from origin, not towards origin, instead away from origin. This is true. Y is equal to 4, so it is towards origin. So this is the shaded region. Question 4, part 6. 5x plus 7y is less than or equal to 35. First inequality. x minus 2y is less than or equal to second inequality. The associated equations of the given inequalities are 5x plus 7y is equal to 35. This is changed into sign of equality. X minus 2y is equal to 2. This sign changed into equality sign. This is equation 3, equation 4. Let us find intercepts. First of all, for x intercept, putting y is equal to 0 in 3. 5x plus 7 into 0 is equal to 35. 7 zeros are 0. 5x plus 0 is 5x is equal to 35. Dividing both sides by 5, 5x over 5x, 35 over 5, 5 7s are 35. So x is equal to 7. X-intercept A has coordinates 7 and 0. For y-intercept, putting x is equal to 0 in 3. 5 into 0 plus 7y is equal to 35. 5 zeros are 0, 0 plus 7y is 7y is equal to 35. Dividing both sides by 7, 7y over 7, 7 cancelled with 7, y is equal to 35 over 7. 7 5s are 35, y is equal to 5. Y-intercept B has coordinates, first write x coordinate and then y coordinate. Let us find intercepts of equation 4. For x-intercept, putting y is equal to 0 in 4, x minus 2 into 0 is equal to 2. 2 zeros are 0, x minus 0 is x is equal to 2. X-intercept 2 and 0. For y-intercept, putting x is equal to 0 in 4, 0 minus 2y is equal to 2, minus 2y is equal to 2, dividing both sides by minus 2 cancelled with minus 2, y is equal to 2 over minus 2, 2 ones are 2, y is equal to minus 1, y-intercept 0 and minus 1. Take 0, 0 as a test point, putting it in 1, that is putting 0, 0 in 1. 5 into 0 plus 7 into 0 is less than 35. I haven't put here is less than or equal to because it is not equal to 35, it is less than 35. 0 plus 0 is less than 35, true. If it is true, it means the closed half plane containing 0, 0 is the solution region. That is, the solution region is towards the origin having coordinate 0, 0. Take 0, 0 as a test point, putting it in 2, putting x is equal to 0, minus 2y minus 2 into 0 is less than 2. Minus 0 minus 0, 0 is less than 2. You cannot put here is less than or equal to because 0 is never equal to 2. So 0 is less than 2 is also true. It means the closed half plane containing 0, 0 is solution region. Let us plot it on xy plane. First of all, draw x-axis, then y-axis. Mark equidistant points on x-axis and on y-axis. Here is the origin. First of all, A point has coordinates 7 and 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and 0 A point. B point 0 and 5. More distance moved along x-axis. 5 moved along y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 and 5. Draw a line which passes through A and B. Equation of the line is 5x plus 7y is equal to 35. Now C point is has coordinates 2, 0. 1, 2, 2, 0. This is point C. Point D has coordinates 0 and minus 1. 0 and this is minus 1. So draw a line which passes through C and D. The equation of this line is x minus 2y is equal to 2. Because both the lines, we draw the solution region towards the origin. So like this towards the origin, here also towards the origin. So the shaded region is the solution region.